Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to exit full screen on a Mac. This is a super simple topic, but it's actually one of the most common questions from people switching from Windows to macOS. Just to be clear, I'm not talking about full screen video playback, like watching a YouTube video. In that case, you can simply press Escape or the F key to exit full screen. Now let's talk about full screen mode for apps. For example, when Chrome is in full screen, you won't see the menu bar or the dock anymore, and pressing Escape here won't do anything. So in this situation, you actually have a few different ways to exit full screen. First, if you prefer using the mouse, move your cursor to the top left corner of the app. Then click the green button, and the app will exit full screen mode. If you like using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl-Command-F to toggle full screen on and off. On some versions of macOS, FNF works the same way. Behind the scenes, when an app goes full screen, macOS actually puts it into a separate desktop space. You can see this by swiping up with 3 fingers on the trackpad. Now you'll notice Chrome is on its own desktop. You can just click this little restore icon to move it back to your main desktop, and that also exits full screen. And here's a quick tip if you want to maximize an app without going into full screen mode. Hover over the green button, hold down the Option key, then click. The window will resize to fill the screen, but it stays in normal window mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.